Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make my new, easier and quicker easy Indian base gravy. Please take a second to hit the subscribe button, as only around 20% of you currently subscribe. It makes a massive difference to me and the channel when you do. Thanks. For today's recipe, you're going to need a pot capable of holding between 2 and 4 litres of water, 150 millilitres of vegetable oil, around 750 grams of brown or white onions, skins removed, 1 green pepper, 1 small carrot, 1 tablespoon of garlic, freshly grated or paste, 1 tablespoon of ginger, freshly grated or paste, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, 1 tin of plumbed or chopped tomatoes, and 2 litres of boiling water. Now get your pan on medium heat and add in the oil. Once hot, it's time to chuck in the onion, pepper and carrot and give them a good stir to coat in the oil. Allow to soften and caramelise over the next 20 minutes, stirring frequently so nothing sticks to the bottom of the pan and burns. Once everything looks nice and caramelised, like this, add in the garlic and ginger and stir through for a minute until the bitter smell disappears. Now add in the coriander, cumin, turmeric, sugar, garam masala, salt and paprika powders and stir well, frying again for another minute or two to infuse the flavours. Tip in the plum tomatoes and around 2 litres of boiling water. Give it a good stir and allow to simmer for 40 minutes, stirring every now and then so nothing sticks to the bottom and burns. Turn off the heat and allow to cool slightly before blending until smooth. If you want, that's it. There's nothing more to do. You can simply store it in the fridge for up to 3 days or freeze in 125 millilitre portions. To use, simply dilute with another 125 millilitres of water per person, giving you 250 millilitres per dish. Personally, I always top the blended base up to 4 litres, then it's always ready to go. Then I store it in the freezer in some plastic tubs. The standard recipe produces 2 litres of concentrated or 4 litres of standard base gravy when complete. That's enough for 16 curries. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk. For today's recipe, you're going to need a pot of cabbage. I don't know what I just said. I've been thinking in my head of the old recipe.